can take it. And right there. I got another two. I got another two halves there. I went to the metal shop, and the guy gave me a solid metal bar, which is underneath of there. It would suit the house perfect. Alright, we're gonna kiss the light again. How far can we take this thing? Alright, all the way up. Come on. Keep going. Until there's no more trouble. So he's already past the height of the light. In a minute he's in the ceiling. That, ladies and gentlemen, that's very steep. Oh, baby! We passed the light. Just as well as we are. We just had a little gap. Guys, I am really amazed. Are you really up there? Okay, can you hold me or not? Come on. Oh, we're all gonna fall down. Come on, 600 laps. Good. There we go. Nothing will stay in the back of it now. Everything will tip out. We'll take it to the extreme. Anyway, that's complete. What did you say to the guys? Huh? Alright, let's bring it down and end our live stream. There's more. You haven't seen everything. Everything I know. Just like give me a welding. As soon as I knew how to weld, guys, it's just like a chick. Just spread the wings and left the nest. Simple as that. Bring it down. Bring it down. Bring it home. The thing is, he's a little bit slow, but yeah, we'll take it. We'll take it. It's better than we'll be there shoving things out with a shovel. We'll take it. But I'm not done with it. I'm going to get a 24 volt battery because between each one is 12 volt. 12 means 24. So if I shove 24 volts in there, we'll see what happens. We'll get another 24. Because the other actuator I got actually is on that on the dozer, tractor. That one is 24 volt. So yeah, get 24 volt for that, and then try to put this. See if these two go faster. If they go faster, it means we need 24 volts. Doesn't matter. We'll take it. We'll take it any day. I'm happy. I'm so happy. And the things that the back, no, I don't think they will break. No chance. The weld penetrate all the way through. It was gouging. Not even. That's it. Our test is really good. Nice. Nice. Ladies and gentlemen,